How to extract environment variables from System Restore Point, Windows 7 64-bit. Recently a badly written piece of software erased my path variable. I've been installing software for years and recovering every single entry would be cumbersome. An even more cumbersome solution would be to restore from previous System Restore Point. Any ideas on how to get the path variable alone from the restore point?
You can mount the old version of the registry. Open regedit. Restoring user path. 2. Select hickey_users. 3. File in GT, load Hive. 4. Navigate to your user folder, click the little button to the right of Open for Show Previous Versions. 5. Select appropriate revision. 6. Select chooser.dat, must have Show Hidden Files enabled. 7. Give it a name, for example old 8. Navigate to old_environment. Note that for system, depending on how long ago this was, you can just go back into hklm/old control set version /control/session manager /environment without loading an old Hive, but this is a generally useful way to apply restore previous versions to the registry. Show previous versions explained, in detail with screenshots. Special thanks to Microsoft for removing restore previous versions from Windows 8.
Thanks indeed to Microsoft for eliminating restore previous versions. However, if you have system protection enabled on your system drive, usually C, you can still get to the old versions back. Just because they took away the UI doesn't mean they took away the underlying backups. First off, download Shadow Explorer. Then bow at their feet for writing it. This URL. To restore earlier envars for the user account, go to c:\users your username /chooser.dat. To restore earlier envars for the system, go to c:/windows/system32/config/rig/system. Once you select the date/version you want and the file, right-click the file and choose Export. Export to a temporary folder. Then follow the instructions above for load Hive above, but choose this temporary file you have just exported.
Well, this would be kinda hackish, but you could restore back to get the path and restore forward again to your current state.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.